Pancakes are as old as cooking itself. Okay, they might not correspond with what we associate with the word today, but the idea to bake a liquid dish dough on a hot stone or in a pan is certainly very ancient and precedes the bread oven. The first mentioning of pancakes in the Mediterranean world come from ancient Greece, where they are called tagenites or teganites. Greek writer Athenaeus from the 2nd or 3rd century CE writes in his Deipnosophistae that the much earlier writer Magnes and Kratinos, both from the 5th century BCE, mentioned tagenites in their comedies. It seems that these pancakes were a popular breakfast and consisted of soured or fermented milk. I used clabber, which is soured raw milk and probably the easiest and earliest way to make soured milk. Buttermilk is a good alternative. Wheat flour, honey and olive oil. No eggs. I added a pinch of salt. Pancakes were served, according to Athenaeus, with cheese, sesame and honey.